We'll guide you through how to remove text from a photo in Photoshop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here's the photo I wish to remove the text from. First of all, come into the layers. On the thumbnail, if there's that little icon on it, that means it's a smart object. So right click on it and click on rasterize layer, and it will then go and disappear. If it isn't already, that's fine. Now go and select the text you want to go and remove. To do that, I've got the magic wand tool selected. You can then go and click on it, hold shift and go and click all of it. If this isn't working for you, then what you can do is use the polygon lasso tool and go and cut it out quite precisely. You should zoom in to go and do that. With it selected, what I like to do is then click on select at the top, hover over modify and click on expand. And I just like to expand it by a pixel. Then all you need to do is go and click on edit, go down and click on content aware fill. I just go and use the auto version, go down to the bottom right and go and click OK, and just like so, it's now removed the text.